Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will actually show you a website that I found out on internet which allows you to create API keys to call multiple AI APIs. It's called as FastRouter AI. So you can directly search this on Google, simply type FastRouter AI, and the very first website which comes, this is actually a unified API gateway for 100 plus AI models. So once you go to this website, the landing page will look something like this. It does provide you with free trial. Once you sign up on this website, you can sign up using your Google or GitHub account. So it's really simple. Just you simply sign up using your Google account, and after signing up, it will redirect you to the dashboard area. So click on complete sign up. After that, you will see that it will redirect you to the dashboard area. So here you inside the sidebar section. So just complete this. So you will see the sidebar section right here. So from here you can create API keys. So they also have a playground section as well where you can try out Grok, Claude, Gemini, GPT, all the so no API key is required. You can immediately start experimenting with different AI models. So once you go to this, so now the playground section will load right here. So directly we have a chat prompt. You specify any kind of question right here. Automatically it will select the best model for you, but you can actually also change the model from here. Inside a drop down section, all the models are present. 100 plus models are there. So from here I simply ask a question here. So as you ask the question right here, automatically this will answer it. It's a really good website. I'm using it for past 6 months, and it's a trusted website. And in the meantime, if I want to create an API key, I will simply go to keys section right here. So you will see it is now creating an image to PDF application. It is generating the code for you. And this is a free way by which you can use all these premium AI models for completely free. You sign up on this website, FastRouter, and from here you can create an API key as well. So this is right here. You could click on the create user key and you fill out all this information, and it gives you your API key. From here you can copy this API key. Simply copy this. So as you see, it has it is now generating this fully fleshed application for you. So from here you can simply see how much credits is remaining. If you click the credits button, so once you sign up, you get $1 of free credits once you sign up for every free account that you create. And if you want to add additional credits, you simply type how much credits you want, simply type the amount, and then you can purchase the credits using a credit card. Very simple process. And as you see, whenever you sign up, you get these bonus credits credited inside your account. And now to get started here, if you check out their documentation from here, so it's very simple to call their API. So you simply say, so right here you make this. This is actually the base URL that you will hit, This is the API URL. So you can directly install extension in VS Code to actually use this. The best extension that I can tell you is this one, RU Code. Directly install this extension inside VS Code. I've already installed it. So once you install this, directly go to this settings section right here. So from the API provider, you simply select OpenAI compatible. And right here, you paste your API key. Then you paste your base URL. So we simply paste this base URL. So we don't need this slash chat completion. Simply delete this. So only this part is required in the base URL. OpenAI compatible. Then paste your API key. And from here you select the model. The other extension that you can use is this one, Clean extension, which is also very good. I've already installed it. Same thing, you will do this right here as well, OpenAI compatible. Then you paste. Simply paste this and for the model, whichever model that you are using right here, you simply replace the name. So let me use this model here, OpenAI. So I paste the model ID, that's all. Click on done. Right here you ask a question to this. So we are simply making this call. So it will make this request to the API and now the response will come back. So this is a very simple process. You sign up on this website, then it gives you the API key, the base URL. You replace this and it has almost 300 plus AI models you can try for video generation, audio generation, coding generation. All these models are there in a single website. So now you will see the API has successfully responded to us. Hello, how can I assist you today? And right here, I will simply say to this that I say that please build a image to PDF complex app in browser and write all the code in index.html file. So simply I asked this question. Now the AI will start creating this application for us directly side by side. It will write all the code for you. So we are using this model OpenAI GPT-4. And if you see the usage section, how much credits are being used. So as you see, output tokens are used, input tokens, as we made a request to this OpenAI GPT model. So in this easy way, uh, it is now creating this file for us. It is consuming these tokens as well, as you can see that. So now it has created this file for you to start coding right here, as you see that. So in this easy way, you can use any model of your choice. The process will remain the same, and The credits will be consumed as you see. Now it is only 0.87. Uh, so once it is finished, you can add more credits. So the playground section is also very insane. You can try any kind of model directly from here that I showed you. So definitely check this website out, FastRouter AI.